Excuse me, good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, madam.
Good Ramakrishna, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Satya.
Yes, ma'am.
Satish.
Yes, ma'am.
Rule number 106. Rule number 106.
Sir. Number, sir. చూడు సార్ అందరూ వచ్చాం కాదు మరి రేపాలు
Who is that? Rule number 106. Are you there? U15A0. Okay. So today I'm going to start a new chapter, that is fourth unit, applied statistics. In applied statistics, we have another three subtopics: curve fitting, correlation, and regression. So first of all, I'm going to tell you what is curve fitting. I mean, there is problems, that's it. So we have curve fitting. Okay. So here we have like this types of questions, something x, y. We will have here two variables. So they will give like this, the data. You have to take the relation between these two. So that is correlation. So here we have the topic, that is correlation. And curve fitting means you have to fit a straight line or parabola or second degree equation or exponential curve in these types of data. So you have to get from this data a straight line. What you have in the form of straight line, y is equal to a plus bx, and the parabola will be a plus bx plus cx square. And this is also a second degree equation. Remember, here we have power 2. This is a second degree equation, and this also a parabola. And this will be first degree equation, that is straight line. If you want to put a straight line in this data, we have to convert the whole data in terms of y is equal to a plus bx. So first of all, what you have to take means you have to get the values of a and b, then only you can get the straight line. So to get these values, I mean these are constants, you have to get this value. To get this value, you have normal equations. This, if you take summation of this, summation y, and suppose I'm taking summation of a, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many times of 5? We have 4. 4 into 5. If you take summation to constant, we will get how many times we are going to sum. That will be here, multiplication. So if you take summation of this, that will be NA. Okay, next. Plus B summation x. Here we have variable, that's only we will go for summation for variable, not for constant. Here we don't have variable, that's why we will go for summation for constant a. Okay, so summation y equals to NA plus B summation x. And if you take summation x into y, I'm going to take here summation x to this one. So this will be a summation x plus b summation x into x square. Summation x square. So to find a straight line in the curve, in the given data, you have to remember these. Y is equal to a plus bx is a straight line. To obtain this straight line, you have to go through the normal equations. What are the equations? Summation y equals to na plus b summation x, and another equation is summation xy equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. Don't bother about to remember for this. You can apply summation to this, you will get this. Okay, so remember this thing for fitting a straight line. And for second degree means the power should be two, right? So this is the equation, second degree equation or parabola equation. So for this, you have here three variables, right? A, B, C. That meaning you have to get three equations. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 2. That's why I'm taking only 2 equations. Here we have 3. That meaning I'm going to take summation y equals to na plus b summation x plus c summation x square. Next, summation xy. That is a summation x plus b summation x square plus c summation x cube. Now I am going to take summation x square y. That is a summation x square plus b summation x cube plus c summation x power 4. So these are the equations to find this second degree straight line or parabola. So in these problems you have to remember this one and this one. You will get another problem, that is exponential form. I will tell you after this. Okay, so we have problems only for this. We don't have any theory. You have to remember the formulas. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the problem by the method of least square, and this is nothing but least square method. We call this method as least square method. Don't confuse here. So by the method of least square, find a straight line that best fits the following data. Here the straight line, the given, this is straight line, right? So this is the table. You have the values for x and y. Okay, 1 point, can you reply once again, madam? Which one? Okay, what happened? First of all, this is we don't have any theory for this. We have problems in this third chapter. That is, the question is curve fitting. We have curve fitting. So curve fitting means we have straight line and we have parabola and we have second degree equation. You all know how is the form of straight line, something 2x plus 3y plus something constant like this. This is a straight line, right? So here I am taking this form as is equal to a plus bx. Y is equal to a plus b. Y here, y term is there, x term is there and constant. So to get the values of a and b, we have the equations. Okay. I had one call. Okay. So these are the equations to get this value, and these are the equations. Okay. If you take summation y, you will get NA plus B summation x. So summation x, I'm multiplying only summation x here for this. So summation xy equals to A summation x plus B summation x into x summation x square. N represents here the number of observations. How many numbers of observations? Here, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So number of observations n equals to 5. N is nothing but how many times summation. How many times x you are taking here? So here I am taking x as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n equals to 5 like that. Okay. So you will understand by this problem. Okay. So you have to find this. First of all, let the required straight line is y is equal to a plus bx. I'm going to write first of all what is the straight line. So next, what is the normal equation? Summation y equals to na plus b summation x y equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. Okay. So first of all, we have summation y, right? Summation y means you have to calculate whole plus sum. Next, n is nothing but number of observations. Next, b, summation x is nothing but sum of all these terms. Next, here we have summation of x, y. Summation of x, y means you have to multiply these two and add the values. Next, x square you have here. So x square means you have to take all the terms of squares and get summation. So for this I am going to take table. You have the values x. So x. Next you have the values of y. Here you have xy. So I am taking here xy. And next x square. Is there any dots? N represents. Okay. So next x, y, xy, x square. What are the terms in the equations you have to take here? That's it. So x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y is 14, 27, 40, 55, 68. Next, x, y. So 1 into 14, 14. So 2 into 27, that is 54, right? 27 double. 3 into 4. So 3 for the 12, 120. And 4 times of 55, 55, 55. 55 double, 110. 110 double, 220. So 5 times of 68. 68 divided with 2, 34. And with multiplication 0, 340. Next, x square. 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. And you have to add all these things. So here 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4 plus 1, 15. Next, what you have to add? These all things. So 8 plus 5, 13 plus 7, 20, 24. Here if you take 2, 10, 7, 8, 20. 18 plus 2, 20. So add all these things. You have calci, right? You can bring the calci to your exam also. So this is easy for all of you to add all these things. Next, substitute the values of summations in this equation. Now, what is summation y? Summation y is 204. What is n? Number of observations 5. A plus b as it is. That is a constant. What is summation x? 15. So 5a plus 15b equals to 204. I am taking this equation 1. Next, the second equation summation xy equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. So summation of xy, what is value? 748 equals to a into summation x 15a plus b into summation x square 55. So this will be 15a plus 55b equals to 748. You get these two equations, right? Okay, next. I have one doubt about this. Is there any calculation part in calci to solve the equations? ఇలా ఈక్వేషన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి క్యాల్సీలో ఏమన్నా ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఐ మీన్ క్యాల్కులేషన్ పార్ట్ ఉందా? కెన్ ఎనీవన్ ఆన్సర్ మీ?
తెలియదు మేడం.
హౌ యూ విల్ తెలియదు. కెన్ ఎనీవన్ ఆన్సర్ మీ? You know or you don't know?
Yes, ma'am. Statistics
ఇలా
option.
ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి
Yes, ma'am. We can solve it.
Okay, so you can solve you can solve with the calci, but I am going to solve here like this. Okay, if some of you don't know, you can solve like this. Maybe all of you know, to solve the equations you have the calculation part in your calci. Okay, so 5a plus 15b equals to 204 and 15a plus 55. These you have equations, use calci, you will get the answer. Otherwise, here we have 15a plus 55b. I'm going to multiply equation 1 with 3. You get 15a. So you will get 15a plus 45b equals to 612, and the same thing you will get. Okay, so it will get cancelled. 45 minus 10b equals to minus 130. So b equals to 13, 136 by 10, that is 13.6. If you substitute the value of b in any one of the equation, you will get a. Okay, so we got here a equals to 0. And now you have to substitute the value of a equals to 0 and b equals to 13.6. So I am substituting in y is equal to a plus b6 dx, that is y equals to 0 plus 13.6x, that is y equals to 13.6x. This is the straight line, that is y minus 13.6x equals to 0. Okay, maybe it is all of you, it is easy for all, because you don't write anything. You will use here calci only. First of all, you have to write x5, then you will use here calci, right? So say summation x, summation y, and you have to multiply these things and take the term of x square. You have to remember the part is y is equal to a plus bx, and here summation y and summation x square. And this is also in your calci, so you can obtain easily the value of a and b and substitute the value of a and b in the equation y is equal to a plus bx. Is there any doubts?
మ్యామ్ నో డౌట్స్, కానీ మీరు నోట్స్ ముందే మొత్తం నోట్స్ అంతా ముందే పంపిస్తే అది చూస్తూ మీరు చెప్పిన పాయింట్ ఒక్కొక్కసారి అది బ్లర్ అవుతుంది. నోట్స్ ఉంటే నోట్స్లో రాసుకొని చూస్తూ చేశారు, నోట్స్ మొత్తం పంపిస్తారు మ్యామ్. ఇప్పుడు మ్యామ్ అది చాప్టర్ నోట్స్ మొత్తం పంపిస్తే, నోట్స్ మొత్తం షేర్ చేస్తే అది ఫోన్లో చూసే కంటే క్లాస్ వర్క్లో చూసి అర్థం చేసుకుంటే బెటర్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే 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 జస్ట్ a minute.
Thank you.
Oh. So the question, is it visible? Is it clear that let us fit a second degree polynomial to the following data?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the question is fit a second degree polynomial to the following data by the method of least square. You have here second degree polynomial equation. The question is you have to find the second degree. So here the values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and y value 1, 1.8, 1.3, 2.5, 6, 3. What is the second degree equation? Y is equal to a plus bx plus, this is the equation, right? Here y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. So to find the a, b, c, we have three equations here. That is here summation y equals to na plus b summation x plus c summation x square. Okay, so same here. First of all, you have here x square and x cube term also and x power 4 term also. That's why I'm taking here x square, x cube and x power 4. Next you have here xy term. So I'm taking here xy term. Next here we have x square y. So I'm taking here x square y. From the equations only you have to consider the table. And what is x values and what is y values, you have to write x square values and x cube values and x power 4 and xy and x square and take the summation of all these things. Okay, so substitute the values in the equations. You will get 12.9 equals to 5a plus okay. So is there any doubts about this? Is there any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Who is that? So for this we got here three equations. Solve these three equations using calci, or you can use your mind also. So you will get like this. Okay, next question. Obtain a relation of the form y is equal to ab power x for the following data by the method of least square. So here the question is y is equal, you have to get the equation in the form of y is equal to ab power x. So for this you have to take what is y is equal to ab power x. So y equals to ab power x is the equation. If you take logarithm of both sides, log of ab power x. Okay, so log y equals to log mn equals to log m plus log n, right? So log a plus log b power x. So log y equals to log a plus x log b. So I'm taking this as capital Y and this as capital A plus x, this as capital B. Okay, so A equals to log A and B equals to log B and Y equals to log Y. It is in now same in the form of y is equal to a plus bx. So the values of the equations will be same. Summation y equals to na plus x summation b summation x. Next, summation xy equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. So it will be same. So the curve to be filled is y is equal to a plus bx. So I am solving this. Here y is equal to a plus bx. Here we obtain y is equal to a plus bx and the equations are here. So here summation y equals to na plus b summation x. So I am taking x as it is and y also as it is. But here y is nothing but log y, right? So capital Y you have to take because here in the equation we have capital Y summation. So first of all you have to take logarithm of values of y. Okay. So capital Y is nothing but y equals to log y. So I am taking logarithm of 8.3, that is 0.910. Same logarithm of 15.4. You have to take all the logarithm of y's. You will get the values of this. And next x square is nothing but these values only. So 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and 6 square. Next, here x capital Y, not small y. So x into capital Y, 2 into 0.9190. You have to take. Next to 3 into 1.1875. Same. You have to take all the multiplication of 4 and logarithm of y. Because here we have summation y and x summation x y. Okay.
Okay.
So here we have same, substitute the values of 5a plus 20b equals to 7.547, 33.9, 20a plus 9b. Here I am substituting the values of this one only. Summation x square and summation xy. Okay. Summation y. What is summation y? Here we have summation y. If you calculate all the summation of this, you will get 7.45457. This is the value. And what is n? Number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 capital A same plus B. What is summation x? This one 20. Next you have to substitute the value of this one. What is summation xy? 33.1819. equals to capital A summation x here 20 plus B summation x square this one 90. You will get the equations. So solve the equation by using calci, or you can use in a simple method. You will get capital A 0.31 and capital B. Here you will get capital B as 0.3. But the question is y is equal to AB power x. You have to get the values of AB, not capital A, not capital B. What is capital A? Log A. So capital A equals to log A, right? You have to get this value. I am taking A equals to, if you take this logarithm to this side, I am taking the base 10. So 10 power capital A. That is 10 power, what is the value of A? 0.31. That is the value of A. Okay? You will get A equals to 2.04. Next, same. Capital B is nothing but log B. So B equals to 10 power B. What is the value of B? 0.3. So you will get B equals to 1.995. These are the values you have to get. Now substitute in the equation. Y is equal to AP power x. Y equals to, what is the value of A? 2.04. What is B? 1.995 power x. This is the answer. Okay? Is there any doubts?
బాక్స్ మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి.
Okay, this one. Okay. So first of all, you have to take x, same x and y also. I'm taking x, y. But the question is y is equal to AB power x. You have to get in this format. But you have to calculate this A and B.
స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చేయండి. బ్లాక్ వైపు.
So here log y, here you have to obtain this one, right? So you have to obtain this one. You calculate AB by using, I'm taking logarithm of both sides. Log y equals to log of AB whole power x. So log y equals to log A plus log B power x. Here we will get y is equal to A plus bx. Actually it is. Here I am taking capital Y as log y and A as log A and B as log B. So if you take summation here, you will get these equations. But here summation y is not, this is small y only. Here this is summation of capital. capital A plus x capital B capital Y. In the previous questions we have A plus BX, right? Plus XB, because the equation is y is x, right? So y means if you want to calculate this summation of capital Y, you have to get the values of y. Okay, this is not small y. In the previous example we have small y, right? But here we have capital Y. Capital Y is nothing but summation of log y. Summation of log y means you have to draw another table. So I am taking capital Y value. Y. Okay. So what is log y? This you will get logarithm of values. Logarithm of 8.3. Sum of 10.4. Suppose yes. Here we have suppose log. Find the values. So you will logarithm y. So you have to add all these things. The question is summation y. You have all this summation y. And then next summation x into capital